Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin from Money Code Academy. Now, on today's video, I want to talk about 7 skills you must possess to make money online in 2022. You know, this is a new year and the year is just starting, and there are lots and lots of people who are saying, come on, I just wish I'm able to make money online to add to whatever channel of income that I'm having right now. But the challenge is I don't know how to go about it. Well, I'm here to give you some ideas, okay, that you could explore. Listen very carefully. One of the things that lots and lots of people are doing today is that they are embracing the online economy. Listen carefully. You all saw what happened 2 years ago when the pandemic broke out, and the whole economy was shut down, but the online economy thrived. It flourished in an uncommon way. Most people who were already into online businesses, they did so well. They were the ones who were not affected at all. You know why? Because they took advantage of this thing earlier. Now this year, it is not too late for you to make money online. But if that is going to happen, there are some skills that you should cultivate, okay? And if you already have these skills, all you need to do is improve on these skills and, package your services properly. And I'm telling you, you will begin to earn. It may not necessarily be a lot. Remember, when we talk about making money online, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's something that you have to build. It takes hard work. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes a lot for you to finally actually be able to start making money. But the idea of these videos is to give you an idea, point you in the direction you should go, so you can make a decision and then know, okay, that this is the path I want to follow, and then you begin to build it. Because what you begin to build now, at the end of 2022, you should have been able to achieve certain things at least. Okay, so let's get right into this. The first skills I would recommend if you want to make money online is graphics designing. Everyone today, they are crazy about social media posts. People want to make their online presence felt. And if that is going to happen, they need a graphic designer, someone to design, a template for them, a leaflet for them, something that will help them post on Instagram or on Facebook. So you see that the demand for graphic designers is very, very high. But then, if you're going to make money online as a graphic designer, you need to spend time to know what exactly people are demanding for, to know the channel you need to go. Because when it comes to graphic design, it entails a lot. There are different aspects of it. You get the point now. So your responsibility is to choose exactly the area you want to go so that you can go in that direction. But then the whole point is graphic designing is a very good option for you if you have the interest for that. There are people who are actually making quite a good amount of money on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, as a freelancer. It all depends on you and your positioning. So if this is the area you want to go into, then start today to do your research. Start today to know what works and what people are looking for, because it will go a very long way to help you. The next skill that you can develop when you make money online is content writing. Of course, you know that there are many websites today, there are many bloggers out there who don't really have the time to sit down and write anything. Okay, so they are busy looking for people who can serve as a dedicated content writer for them. You get the point now. There are people who are looking for content writers. Companies are looking for content writers, people who just write, certain masterpiece for them. If you are someone who have that interest to go in that direction, why not give it a shot? If you go online, if you go on Indeed.com, you will be shocked to see how many companies who are looking for content writer. So if this is something that interests you, then begin to do research in this direction. Take your time and go for research. Build yourself in this area so you can understand, okay, what exactly people are looking for. It is true you know how to write, but then you are not going there to scratch your itch. You are going there to scratch other people's itch, which means you are not going out there to write what you like. You are going out there to write what people want. And if that's going to happen, you need to do your research. Take your time and do all the necessary research so that at the end of the day, you can be valuable and people will begin to look for you. You get the point now. The next one here is content marketing. Content marketing. You get the point now. Content marketing is something that is doing the rounds now. I mean, lots and lots of people have made a lot of money via content marketing. Now, when I'm talking about content marketing, I'm talking about the ability to be able to use content to market products. Today, you see that there are comedians who, because they are funny, okay, they are able to come up with a skit, and in the midst of that skit, they will market certain things to you. That's content marketing. So content marketing is in 3 different folds, okay? The first one is articles. The ability to use articles to market certain products that people can be interested in. The second one is videos. The ability to use videos to create content and use it to market products. The next one is the ability to do a podcast and use it to market, a particular content. And guess what? There are lots of people today who are in this online space and they are looking for people like you who will be interested to work with them, okay, to come up with articles, come up with videos, come up with audio content that will help in marketing their product. Trust me, when you go online right now, these guys are hot cake. But if you're making up your mind that this is the path you want to follow, you must be dedicated to it. It's not enough to say, oh, this is what I want. It's not enough to say, oh, I would love to go in this direction. There's a lot that it entails. It's not an overnight thing. It will not bring you overnight success, okay? But it is a path that when you follow it, committedly, and you give it your best shot, I'm telling you, you could actually make a career out of that. And that's the truth. But it's going to involve you to do a lot of research. You're going to have to spend series and series of nights not sleeping just because you want to do research. But at the end of the day, the research will be worthwhile. Trust me. So the next one is editing. Now, editing, it could go into different directions. There is something called content editors or book editors. There are lots of people today who have written books and they are looking for someone to proofread the book, edit the book for them. All you need to do is position yourself, okay, as a book editor or as a content editor, okay, and then do your research, improve your skills. Because there are people who are looking for people with this kind of skills. You will see someone who has written his book and is looking for someone else to help to proofread that book, to help to edit that book. So you can go in that direction. Another direction is in the area of videos. For example, I do make videos, okay, but I don't edit them. Why? Because I don't have that time. I have lots of other things that I'm doing. So what I do, I outsource the editing to someone else and he earns from it. You get the point now. You can actually take the video editing to another level entirely. There are lots and lots of people who are looking for video editors. You will agree with me that when you go online today, there are videos all over the place. On Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, all over the place. Now, these videos are edited by people. You can choose this path, and I'm telling you, your life will not remain the same. So this is something that you could actually watch out for. I have gone as far as outsourcing my editing work to someone who is as far as Pakistan and I am sitting somewhere else. It's a skill that if you develop that skill, it will help you a great deal if you want to make money online. Another skill that you can actually consider is online marketing. Come on. This one has changed a lot of people's lives. You will hear things like, there are no jobs out there. Not in this field. I'm telling you, if you go on Indeed right now, the opportunities are in excess. There are individuals, there are small companies, multinational companies who are looking for guys, young men and young women who have developed this online marketing skills. Why? Because the traditional way of marketing things is already phasing out. The new world now is the online world. You get the point now? That's the new street. That's where people are hanging out. And so people want to be able to send their products out there to the places where people are hanging out. So this is one skill that you can actually learn, and it does not take time. If you truly want to learn some of these skills in a space of 3 months, if you are serious with it, you will learn it, and I'm telling you, you'll begin to earn. The challenge a lot of time is most people are not willing. You are just looking for quick money. But something I've discovered, if you look for quick money, you put in a lot of effort, a lot of stress. Quick money never comes plenty. It comes as peanuts. But the one that you take out time to develop, it may take you 3 months. While that other guy looking for quick money is getting the quick money here and there. This one is not earning anything, but he's learning. In a short while, the L will move out of the learning and he will begin to earn. And when he earns, he will earn big, because he has taken that time to develop himself. I want to encourage you to go out there. Online marketing is one thing I recommend for everyone, as long as you have the time to do it. Yeah, you heard me right. And then, of course, the affiliate marketing. By the way, I did a video on affiliate marketing. Okay, I'll put a link in the description box below. You can actually watch that video. It will help you to know about affiliate marketing. But just for the record, affiliate marketing is the act of marketing other people's products. So at the end of the day, you earn some commission. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. And there are lots of people who have made a lot of money from this if you have the time to do so. It's a skill that you need to learn. Watch that video, it will help you a great deal. All you need to do is choose a product you want to market and begin to showcase it before people. Begin to bring that product before people. And as you are bringing the product before people, there are some people who will like it. They will buy with your link and you make some commission. As a matter of fact, that's one of the ways in which video marketers are also getting their money, or podcasters. You get the point now. So this is something that you should consider learning. Finally, another one is either customer support or virtual assistants. Listen, beloved, virtual assistants, people, they need them. For example, someone who is into YouTube now, he does not have the time. He just have the time to create videos. He may be needing someone to help with the posting of that video, to help with, tagging the video, to help with, scheduling the video and all that. Virtual assistants are in high demand right now. But then, if this is something that interests you, you have to look into it and make a conscious decision that, okay, I want to go in this direction. Do your research. Know how to position yourself. Know what people are looking for. Know where you can find these people. And based on that, you know what to do. And finally, a bonus point for you, you can also go in the area of e-commerce. E-commerce is another skill you must learn, and that is learning how to sell products online. Is one thing that you can actually learn. If you go in that direction, you learn how to source for products, the kind of product to source for, how to buy the product, how to position that product for sales. E-commerce has blessed a lot of people. So these options, this barrage of options, they are standing before you. The question is, are you going to take the pains to look in any of this direction and see what you can do to make it a worthwhile? Remember, it will not bring you money overnight. But if you take the pain, you could get a career out of it. You could get a very serious business out of any of these things that I have mentioned for you today. So I want to encourage you to look in this direction, because it will help you to make money online this year, 2022. So that'll be all for this video. I trust that you've gotten value from this video. I hope to speak to you in the next video. Drop me a comment and let me know what resonated with you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that the next time I post a new video, you'll be the first to receive that video. Until I speak to you again, keep cracking the money code. God bless you.